Hey y'all, so today I have to change out my scissors. So it's been a while that I had to buy some new scissors, but the reason why that I am buying them now is because all of my scissors have been used on different materials, different products, and they don't work anymore. And as for my rotary cutters, I bought a blade from Hobby Lobby, and it doesn't work. I'm going to show you what's going on with all of my shears real quick. Okay, so here's the rotary cutter. Let's start out with this. Okay, so this rotary cutter is a Fiskars 45 millimeter rotary cutter, right? Okay, so when I changed out the blade, I'm gonna bring this closer. I want y'all to hear this. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, it'll do that. So I'm like cutting. Yeah. So it does that. And I was trying to figure out why. Well, it happens to be, hold on, let me go get an old, my old rotary blade real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. And when you look at it, let me keep it together. Hold on. Let me get my little magnet. So I want to be safe. Safety first. All right. Here's my little purple magnet. All right. So when you look at this one, the one that I just took off, I don't know if you can see that. There's 3 little bumps right there. Okay, so that's what's causing the that right there. Okay, with the correct one, which is this one, you see how it is smooth? Nothing. It's a smooth circle. See? And that's the difference. And I did not know that. I honestly did not know that there was different rotary cutters. So with the Fiskars, you just plop it in there and bam, that's it. So now let's see. Oh, and this one's actually the new one. I put my old ones away in a separate container. So now let's see. Smooth. Isn't that cool, baby? Yeah. So now let me see. Yep. Bam. All right. So I got this one fixed. So one down and a few more to go. So this, I'm just gonna have to get rid of it. Normally when I get rid of my rotary blades, hold on, let me get my other container. I put them in another little container, and I'll put little markings, permanent marker markings, just to show that these are bad, that these are old blades. So on this one, I'm just gonna chunk it in here. So yeah. All right, let's go to the next thing. Oh yeah, and this was another thing that I bought at Hobby Lobby to see if maybe this would work on sharpening my blades. I don't know if y'all can read it or not. Hold on, let me bring it forward. Okay, rotary blade sharpener. Yeah, this thing does not work worth a crap. All it does is just when you put it together like a clam, and you're supposed to shake it, and where is it at? Right here. right here. You're supposed to shake it, and while you're shaking it, it's the little daggone stones are supposed to make the blades sharpened. But when you put them together, when you put it together and do that, it doesn't move. It doesn't move. So yeah. Oh shit, somebody's at my door. Hold on. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so we got this down. Rotary cutter. Check. All right. Put that aside because I'm getting another project ready. Miguel, my husband, he got these fixed up. But my other ones that are exactly like this, which is the previous ones, the ones that I had before, the kids decided to cut with paper. And man, it fucked it up. Ah! Why did he buy fried chicken? Hold on. So yeah, I don't know what's up with Fiskars, because I mean that's literally all I use. Is see? Hold on. Let's see. Come on, dude. Oh, can you do it? No? Hold on. How about I do it like this? Because I see a lot of YouTubers do this. Well, anywho, there it is. See, it's Fiskars. That's literally all I use. I like them because they when they're cut, like, it feels smooth. I mean, it feels real smooth, and I like them. There's another pair of scissors that I really like. It starts with the G. I'll have to look it up, but of course I can't afford them. So Fiskars is actually really good. So like I said, when I bought these, they weren't working. My husband sharpened them a little bit, and now they work a lot better. So these are good. But now let's get to well, we're almost there. Okay, here's some other Fiskars. Here you go. Here's some other ones that I have. They were in a pack of 2, or was it? Or no. No. These were individuals. I bought 2 of them because the first one that I got, it just, I don't know, it just didn't work. The second one that I got, it probably cut good maybe 2 or 3 times, and then that was it. And I'm like, what the heck? So I tried to sharpen it, and you know what, let me bring my sharpener just so I could show y'all. Okay, so once again, Fiskars, and it's the sharpener, and that's what I bought. And it says, to put it in, like that, and then just do that, it sharpens. So that's what I do. And I'm left-handed, so I have to do it backwards. Unfortunately, they don't have any left-handed scissors for moi. So anywho, so yeah, and even if I do this, let me see if it's gonna do it. Hold them up. Let's get a regular cotton. Oh, now you want to be nice. Now you want to be nice. So now it wants to be nice, but it didn't want to. Let me show you how it was before. Or maybe those were the good ones. Yep, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so actually, scratch that. This one, I forgot. Bella told me that this one was the good one. Okay. You know what? Let me put... So that way I know which is which. Here. So this one, actually, scratch that. Bella told me that this one was the good one. So there's that one. Okay. This one. This one is the jacked up one. Okay. Let me get my scissor in there. Don't. Now you're gonna. Oh, there it is. There it is. See? It just folds right in. Oh, now you want to start. See? Ah! There it is. See? It folds. It folds in. Let's see. There you are. And I hate that. See how it folds in? It does that. And I am just getting so sick and tired of it. So, I don't know. I don't know what's up. Come on, Fiskars. Tell me what's up. Like I said, the other ones that I have of this, the other one, I just put it downstairs. Because, you know, like I said, my kids, they used it for paper one time. Just one time. And it can't cut material. So that's why I bought this other one. I got the rotary cutter fixed. Oh, and then I bought another rotary cutter. I wanted to try the bigger one. So this one, I wanted to try the bigger one, the you know, the big one, you know. I wanted to try this one, you know, because my mother-in-law has this one, same thing, Fiskars, and this shit doesn't work. And one blade is $20-something. I don't know. I should have just saved my coupons. But look, now this one I am gonna show you. Okay. Oh, now you want to fucking work. Okay, there it is. See? See? Hold on. Let's see. Well, god damn it. See? It didn't even cut it. Again. Come on. There it goes. So, I don't know. Like, what's up with the...
Stop.
See?
Video. Hold on.
See? See? There it is again. Look. I just did it. Just did it. And look. It doesn't cut all the way. I mean, come on. I thought these were like the best of the best of the best, sir. I don't know. Obviously, I can't buy another blade. I'm on a fixed income. I'm a disabled veteran with PTSD. And I can't get one blade for $20-something, $20, whatever. So I went to Walmart, and as loyal as I am, I bought the Fiskars, but this one came with snippers, rotary, and shears. So, and also it's like a teal color, and of course that's my color, as y'all can see. I'm changing. But I also bought something different, and it's the Westcott, and same thing, the scissors and the shears and rotary cutter. So I got a backup, so we're gonna see what's going on. Like I said, I bought those two at Walmart, and they were on sale. They were both, this one was $19.99, and this one was $9.99. So, yeah. Alright, I gotta go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff with all the YouTube says, and I'll see y'all in the next. Peace.